Sarap. Sandana. 5 kilometer again. Guess how much? It's 35 minutes and 10 seconds. So here's the view. So hayag pa. Before, katong mga July, June kay tip siya. Parang murag hayag lang siya. Alas 6 naman. Nga na ang panahon magsabusog. At least nakapasingot, no? Kaya wala kalagan pag Sabado and Sunday kinatulog. All day, kaon, tulog. Now it's payback time. So hopefully masustain within the week nga makadagan every day after office at least 5 kilometers. So that's it.